Ebizafo ye mamumo mama kwaba ye to aso ansana no ma ye ma adofo ya ene onyamede afe aka won fie ho happy birthday 80 happy birthday to auntie akosi animo. Hey, okay, happy birthday from lawyer Ebo Akins, Millicent Amodakon of First Law, and Auntie Akosia Enim of Tabora to Kwabnesi Edu Ejabeng, yeta from second tona of London. Yes, say, oh, Wediji Kukuko Juredi no pa, and our party Chenshoma, so ne wawoda, enti yemao, ye Kwabnesi Edu Ejabeng Cantona, our London happy birthday. And then happy birthday to sweet, beautiful mother, Mrs. Grace Asari Mankralo, the Apostolic Church Ghana, Wager Area Head 1. I really love you, Mom. May God continue to bless you with wisdom from Kofigo and Auntie Gracie, Oba Kofigo, and na Oma Awoda Pay, or see and cancho say, Odo. Na odo pa and so and someone ye ba bedroom dream hono say yes Ghana grains no morning ya akeka ka ho no ye de kɔ edwa so a amansan edwa so a ye amanfo EU market for ne nto adani a ye enema efrafra mu a osusu se enye mayen aflatoxins nti enye manipadua no saa no ye nto ebo ase ne yenyi mu ana asesesenti ena Ghanaian Times page 17 wodi abase Ghana grains ene ni amane de kodwa so a eya amanfo ento ana EU market no rejected countries no so wompe debate ashase was state of the nation address in our parliament enra say enra na wo ye ni kampa womo ai se won beka bi omu nka bi wonum tete ho na fe the majority for na ashase ebusi womo mo se mo nka bi anam beka bi mo nka ne ehu ena honorable muntaka so no si Mr. Speaker right ne say ya dia ya wavy ye udi ye nka bi enti wonum so mo nka bi but mo anya na ho so asiesi wonum adapatwe kakra eye se mo antie bi kra anam sorry fie ho nanso se mo antie bi kra dia we cannot say fie mo fie ho no kra ebi no mo kan o anya ne kwan so do ebi mo sisi o aye ba democracy efe nanso asem people na edi mpuntuo no ebre omanfo no na baby a de wopani his excellency president Akufo-Addo kaye say wo mo say anymore say mo minority a mo be offer constructive criticism mo be ka say ye nka bi kra eno nso ebeboa ana ye be di ho commando pay and get fund scholarship ne won sensem no what to say MPs ni bi chokrata to say deputy minister for agric ura ye was saying yakwa chokrata say get for wopani ye auditor general dom level me de minim said we won hwehwe mu fai na me no me nyi bi in fact me apply for bi na nkampese makoji bi enti edimbone ya me ma o me say me di yimidi free mu ana lawyer for atwa akoma no ene de tete saa ye nka ne say ye be no medi wo medi ni mu saa na auditor general no so wo pre ne ho dodo wa misa wo mu mpo efise obisa wo mu a ye hu di wa ha ojibi ana wa anyi bi kebe ma watumi ehu wo mu esese wo publish ene wo mu a ensese wo publish we ene ensemo a anopai ye ba aba abedwedwe eho ora yaw asaneta no political analyst ena wa di kan aba enti ya twen kakra die ye mfa no nhyase wa waka no ba ebreso a ye beyi wonum a kire eja machi
ma mejo so
boko die weekend no nemu ti sei
nyametias na oma yem kwan die
eyala ye de nyame ase ye twen se enipa mienu aka no reps 2 na aka no beba be kan ho no ye nhyase e wo state of the nation address na no ye bobo ho kan bia e na ekosi se wo musie ya walk out ni wie ye no wo ma anhwe bia na wo ma antie bia wo ma ante ne osuso yes wo mbeka se wo mu en debate wo participate wo debate ni mu kra sa ana se wantie bi yes wo so participate a ne kwanso ara
yo medase wabanchia ahwefo ene wadwumamfo titru despite group of companies ne nyuma omo create ama Ghanafo MPs are a minority it was their democratic right say on walking out as per the standing orders or the rules that applies and as a rules of engagement or parliament. And they did so in their own right. But in debating the issue, one would have thought, say, they should sit in, because you cannot tell me, say, who walk out, but you never listened to whatever transpired with Parliament. About
not doing what cement, yeah. What kind of
almost trouble be by almost share. One who say, first, Nana, you will crash, Nana, what a crash down. A Tom Rebia, na, a beer, a colaboni beer, why, and I say, Bibia, Wako Yentina, me who said the men kind but which agu woman meso e we bia aduane bia wa no ho
okay
na wati bia si ho wo se mendi enso hu sa akokọ enam ho a na afi wo ye no soesoe ade wo si wondi nti sanka akokọ bedidi am wondi enti omoba emrahye badwom na omobetra ho as per what the prescription of parliament demands no I be make you yourself available to speaker any Ghana phone now if you only two just say they will not participate and also they have the right, because I didn't want to be. I would have thought say omontrem no mon debate, but if they have also chosen say omo en debate because they did not listen in as they portray now, and also emra ema omo kwansa, but I was surprised say bibi I would say you will not participate. Na say omo aye ready so me participate no omo bobo ho a no matter the circumstances just keep mute and I say muyawa no din, but the court twin by na say was say yewura afenyo markings akobo ne din and I say we personalize certain issues
okay
omo standing orders and I say the rules of engagement emma kwansa enti osori say mene no anka men sorry but ohun the issue
what one me can win so sa na me se me can win tina bogu bi so na beto
no say we din na wutie later on you can pass your comment through the media
okay
in some say ya na so masi all can and but to get up and respond at that parliamentary level no I will say won't participate no I think say
but later you be so be catch say parliamentary proceedings and nye media mu ne ka no nti wo fie wo na wan kan you know mu nim say there ya omu bon nsem ni gu omu so fanti na bi o ho de de o a me na me se me nka bi se wa mo mi din wo mu a se ne nka mete me ba bi enti wa bo mi di de ma me claim me ho na fe mu nso aso nka mo nso
say media no wo ho maye NSC as media na bu ye wo credible ones ubetumede wasema for omoso even if you do not contribute in parliament etina da bia omo ho say ye wie proceedings a obi kura one sorry am make any motion and as one kasa wo no it me interview no e manika head na asem to dwa that is what I was expecting but one a hard dream because man who say one yewura afeyon markings e kasa no was the fact say he was being irresponsible. He was being irresponsible in mentioning his name and driving at that tangent. And me feel say, sir, issue of irresponsibility, no, it goes across board. They are working out, no, in technical terms, no, or in reality, no, it's also an irresponsible act. But of course, a part and parcel of parliamentary processes. Because we share microphone mutumi boycott parliament pa as if you Kwame Nkrumah bless UP tradition. They were the first people to start boycotting. Inti you say it was normal. Inti say obi so and of course NPP so are various boycotts before, right? Inti as I say TS minority or decision they were right, but the constituent and are more representative omo na say omo sorry waka na omuma omoti asese samre yamamo power say monko enko ye de fata maye monko tra parliament na mumbo bonsem ho maye ho entoye no say ya mawo sa opportunity ni bia asem bia beba wo e friend say parliament no you must defend the issue because of us ya na ya employ wo and can you imagine say bia adwumam ha ya fa wa ma sebe una wo ye host ye ba ya transfer fefe ye transfer wie ya wa soro se menye ye tua okay ye
Okay, rules of engagement. Say you may be a moon in the Milan and Shisha.
Oh, that be all.
Yeah, you may moon Shisha, dear. Won't mean so and gas a yen make it. Sorry, could be our one for our first hour, but can say any member. But what parliament on it, dear. E ka ho
e bi obetumi afi sickness ana say bia wo yare
and I be a miti pa me he menya cold but me ni say yetua me ka mani ji wunya na mabetra we
na e ka yetua wo sabi e ka yetua wo how compared to the largest of MPs any the yen toma omo taxpayers on the taxpayers pocket na you must be there to defend us because ya na ya mo ojuma
must be there saying yen she enya omo right ni bia
sa rights no mo de ahyehyem no e na edi yenya
enti na yen free
exactly
ti yen free na wo mu dia ma ma na yen te say de bia o ma foma bruce because both sides e wo kwa when it suits them omo implemented that right you know
exactly omo fomo ye emos but I'm saying say you be here for it would be hope on the constituents how more represent here no say meaning idea we here we hwe ayawa so central so see to me say road network in terms of asphalting re-asphalting yet almost about 90%, let me say about 80%. Okay. Into such a person as assembly beto your friend is saying mrashebedwom let's say sorry come out being your road network and I say be a normal cost or constituency and say yeah or say my sorry a bit sure that day would have been your day you be approve be amount but they work
now sorry that you was still on debate here no way.
That is where I'm charging the constituency. Yen sorry worker. Na sa work up na beneficial to us no. Yen kenche MPs na say you have to stop this. Na say yen share parliament and I say mra na yen need that particular clauses no in free.
Why never share mra? You don't be share mra na mind wo stage workout and then you think that or no all stage workout no ka say share mra na yi sa de any free mo be.
No yen we are the employers. We can force them to do that.
And you see dada
you betumi asi wo mo.
And you see dada the employer wo to no kra the employee na enjoy kra who enjoy mu half.
Sure, and don't necessarily you sorry na you see wo mo say this kind of attitude no emwa man kan ko.
Mami enyi yenuano mo mienu afi wo mabeka ye ho no enche na wura saneta no ye political analyst on the oni baby a ti di obi abaye bi o hwe ne gen na wotutum wodoso dosumu e na otene nka no na yenu abema Eric Eje ye deputy communications officer wo Bono region Emma NDC ono eno shebatakari fufuo no e na owura yawo adomako befi ono so ye NPP communication team member ono eno wagini suita bonetai no ewura no mammo akwaba kamu ya elite kitu ebi
na Eric nko ya elite o
oh dear adwe ho state of the nation address no chire yi enura wo mu fiti wo mu sitianse wo mu debate no Eric still minority man tenase anye debate ma work out Ghana for kasa ayasoma wo kwaye adwuma no wagya adwuma ne ho say ye wo right na nipa no otifie no ono so ye ne de yin o constituents no ye wo mu de yin and so enrance mu bebe obo mu bi say asem papa be kan ya ha o kan ni say enti sa wait to say said dem can to offer constructive criticism no and so mo say yam participate ada na mo ha mo constituents sa ana mo boa wo no
yamenas no wa che mo
me jo so bra
pa enye metena se ya enye bete
dia na enye bete o te ne dia anse papa u be se no wo kire na adwen
meti se wo so kofi oko yekrum
me kwa ye wo fie ma over the weekend
na weekend dey onko na ya nya ma yi no
no so meko
ai
meko
ya we dey asa betra so beko fie da
koko se sikasa kire mu bo di chirifo a
e dia no te na se enti we dey ye fa kasa fidie so na ya se Ghana fo nyina ye se sunyamai
my hima
sunyamai ade ato ye ne na hima
okay
nana ya nyama akoda ne benkum nyame ya adoma afi ne yakra na chikra kra ya shase adabanada
enra
ya nti obia mra na ya mesum ne nkuja na nakwan minim sanya yankopon ya adoma adafie da NDC mpenifo ne ya flag bearer His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ye bekwa akokan busua no ho na yakojam ye nana
okay
yana dum so abana
me shede nim amanfo nso bisa ene informer no de bae
say no informer kra am fa ma ye feel heat no yes It is about monfa timetable number. Ni ehu se ye ba ejuma ye fridge a ye dum no. Yes ye nko no na oso aye so ase ye sremo. Just last week, Deputy Minister of Energy, I mean Adam or Babe Catcher, yes, say, even Mahama car power no crow the buyer no, almost signed the car, or more enough power. Car power in young coy, but ye name say doom so na abano. Say no so ya dear beer. And Tiara no Musa say, adding they know the reason, they won't come out. So why use the word doom so? Ya pamucho ECG, busa ECG, edia na ekoso enkanya. Entina me busa say doom so aba, omomi entiase because adundum no be jana story nyaya. Enye easy. Okay. There be a state of the nation most must solve doom so ye challenge mo kra. Ye ko say the edija mo se mo na masolve. Na mo sign the aba mo magana for entiase. Ye sign strand na ando dan kwa kufuado. Ye nuanom a omono school feeding no ma ye nuanom ketewa ne ye mba no omuntie omuka eno na ma omono aduane bone ma nkwada no because ya ko hu nkwada no bi aduane anda otwe etwamu ye ko be bi na me hu bi ase enkwan na ayaye no yesre muntie omuka school feeding ba ye no ba bi aduane no se de ye ne dada no se de ye ne dada no da bi de compare se de ye ne dada na ye nko ye. No, I'm saying that ever since e ba ye yakabia. But ye ne omudi nkomo no mo ka kire say the government is not paying them. Into ono ni reason na ode ba no. Na unim say no aduane no ba bi school bi kure ko boss. Ba bi so ye no unim sa obekọ ba bi ye no. Okay. Because what is school for na the school authorities. School authorities no unim ade say no mo nhye da ne powers over more no aduane no. Because they ama party apparatchiks na omo ye. Into ono ye branch chairman opetemu ho. Ne de ne se me party na aba power ene ama me school feeding. Oti petemu ho ye MPP branch chairman ti. E kan say headmistress opetemu ho suru no ntimi kan asem. Because oko kan wa hu ne kan ade chien se kwotena fi. Enti ye bestre school feeding. Okay. Omuntuaka. Na ya question obusa me de. Simple. I'm say last week, Mampeni kind State of the Nation's address, and a minority, ye Pia Bontin say, ye intimate now, and Mampeni, and McKine, Nensum and Fantre. Ye the stated reasons about Bontin, Obekaya, ye Pia, ye Cocoyan Central for Shemua, ye did some key reasons about. Ye no be say, is this a Ghana Mampeni and another Danko Kufado, or Negana phone in ye. The entire cancer and say, ye kokoye by election why waso. And a mampeni catcher ye say what a commissioner. Commission nkoye nhwehwemu de kofa oye ni no buy. At the end of the day, empenim for etenas yenim so mu ni memra nkasa. Omode omo findings ne ba bonten no. Yenim say your constitution ma mampeni kwan say after commission's report no. What the white paper to so which is giving credence to the report. Until after some mampeni issue in a white paper no. Ya can report now even some portion recommendation you can say recommendations will be cry individual liability in the account o hwe baby a ye nua pani Brian Champon de omo ka fa ne ho a ni sunu ne ban oda na di kwan ofa so kokasa ho omo ka se baby e no ne trimu po no de aye ye da sorry ya ye see tabrini from national security de ne ko interior ye nua ya double mobile phone repeller ya no circle also osun atuoto ne sa na ema ni nyina 2 weeks. And we State of the Nation address. Make your my reasons in TAP, me can't go see the entire debate so na nankasa no. Okay. Yes. Double in some more kai. At the end of the day, we share in the said reporter. Yes, say yam punishing according to the law. As at now, sa near money be a hubi. The same report, okay. Yes, say SWAT unit na national security for decoding someone. Yengu no. Yada ye be kind State of the Nation. Me come rashi bedroom. Me hu SWAT for no bi wo ha omo hye omo ntade a SWAT for ne go akiri enti ye mra hye bedwafo a Sam George evidence or no SWAT for ya ne kobo no ya mampeni si abo na yabo no kwa omo nsan kwatra mra hye bedwafi na SWAT for nsan kobo omo wo ho de a e was omo work out and they worked out. We support them as a party. Secondly, mampeni na nado serving the party or they are serving the constituency. They are serving the party and they are serving the nations as well, but they are in parliament on the ticket of the party. A do time say your constituency no sheda nya constituency ne say omo serve omo from ho no nti omo no na onim say the omo ye in the interest of your Ghana for nti no omo yes nipa no muko sani tu gu omo so aya waso uni mo bia political party
mpacho dey mpacho me bisa say omo ni constituency no kodwe ho say we ebe boamu in your interest enti na ye person work
enye constituency ni interest a nka bi mu cry demonstration etie omo and it is governance there are so many ways you first of voice out your grievances at the chair by your tier komia so we are one of the ways.
Okay, into constituency no interest na
maybe your constituency I support it. Yeah.
Okay.
Secondly, yet to my Ghana mu ha na nando dan kwa kufuado ye papa ko 4 penso o si o Obama central for one tomu o champion in say criminal libel law ne de keka ho ne be ye fi ho ba papa e betina konwa so o hwe emra pon a o kwa article 162 or so o si ade bia no e was serve as impediment e de man central for o mra mudi mujuma banana do beye mampani akwansidie na doso man central for ene no cry was a mokan to da mpo amu nyina amu ntimi nka bi mu netimi kakakra die ntini ye kasa ye ne wona te Ghana ena nanado be di akonwa ene ye se ye ba be fight galamse a ye ba be fight ye nua manase azuria wuni ekoye thorough investigations about the issue investigation the by in the history of our country first time when you so obi age bribe na wabo akire ye Charles Bisi abrantie je bribe bi wo su sika ehwe ni sinanim se so a ewie ya mampani ne na pamfo be ka kire ye so mu hia raw video but in 2012
Pacho Charles de no so okai say obtwene ho and o sign ka say onim ho hwe and o mu investigation report so by na exonerate
se nipa nai na o se wadana wunyane na ne ya ana unim so be nai
no make sure the other side
no, I get the argument you're making
say enhwehwemu
and I say so be nai na o se wada wunyane na nani ntida enu bi na esi wo ho no
okay
obi ahwe bi fili gadochi me no hwesini no bi abrantie ji brabi owo so na sa bochi osisen ska osek owo so no hwe size sa de no so
yetin komodi ekoso wo mu ntamu so ana yenim ba bia na komodi ni
we have a certain president owo opposition or so believe in an as principle and the principle na nas apply no mebo time na all can nas principle no when we said the type of methodology na nas use but obey Ghana man peni no afi na all question the credibility of an as principle what am I say at the end of the day Saadi anas ye no ye gina so ye adwumaden a nka na excavator henu mayira ye gina so ye adwumaden a ene enka gold a season or site ye nim bebie wo ye gina so ye adwumaden anka na amanfo pickups ayira from site enti ye ntimi nkotena se imasa amampani no meka Ghana asem nkyere ye nsentrofo de na abiem unua Manase multimedia okoye the eye expose time one ye tete da hu
sisi a oye freelance
say omo ntimi ne nya adwuma sa na ye beka no Unia Manase
kwa
ya kromje nim de okrum okay ono na jare ya Manase all the best ye nim de ekoso okrum ha or did the eye expose by where this career predators hoodlums ya na yetiti omo castle enye official place also mu di agro ho Manase de by no abawe mu mpanimfo so onsan metwen san mepo mo achew se wogu aban nanimu ase ewie baby na Manase di ne juma station no kra mo boycott ya na mo nko mo program we are aware ye wie ya yesi Manase si we adwuma ono ane pem ya na hwan na boso me so ye adwuma etua ne ka wompe Eteki Media Foundation for West Africa and almost omode anas call South Africa for the sake of security the same media munua eduadadati of Star FM oka asa galamse ntokwa kro ya okonya recording bi no Shanzi Company Limited China for no yenya Minister of State Roxin Bukari ema ne ka kira brand ye ne se onya de wo ye no ewie Edward so ntimi na fie nsam troni enti ye ntena se na mampani a wabetena konwa so anso ntrofo da ye na ye nsan meteo state of the nation what nation is he going to talk about munua meswal nsam troni ba ko omo ye investigation about your football obi anim dream dia na ekoso formula ba bonten 531 mampani wo mu 5 vice wo mu 3 asanso mu wo mu 1 asat now Kennedy Japan ye mrahye bedwani ono ti chamber ho bia otie so na ekotena na fidie so se wo hia na abo no ya ebo wo formula ene ameswali wahwere no nkwa so we can sit in the chamber and metie Ghana mampani a one na pamfo
and we nyina mu no GJ any various organizations ni to me nka mu na mo be kama ye na everybody I'm asking cause everybody ye hu say o nsentwofo ni ahoto cause adano me kura meeting na make so there was a time and some choni ko twa de kura tumi je ne camera bubum no nipa no sign fie hani catch and say which stupid girl is there talking like that even in opposition. But it's part of the job.
Bibi can it
from
can it no near frame be ni fa I say
from
from mo kan
say can it
oh yes na we dey nkomo say na
we debate no meto ase
Eric
oye centrani
o mo central for board enti
oye centrani
ni adwuma na tene o mo say e occupational hazard
oye centrani
adwuma ne ho enso na dey say mo age champion no na mo tete an mo kra mo fight man central for say the GJ for fight
man mo na ye adwuma yi
time na
the fact say BSc pen ne nkire say enye no me betra na me encourage say enye nto aso enti samre na wo ka no adenti na ye ba yesesa ne emem denti na Ghana for to aba nsemtwoni bi to abati awura mahama because of their wokan nti ene obi aba obi aye bi nti if more or less divide NDC 4 pence mo ye say nti omo so ya enwo semeka
you all have not been fair to central for
obi ahwere ne nkwa ameswali ahwere ne nkwa ye hu state ni seriousness o show in this very case so we can sit mama mpeni sa mefa na no mfa Ghana for ho yeah we can sit in the chamber because Ghana man mpeni na nado dan kwakufu ado Ubedi akonwa my promises baby. O ka kire Ghana for say ube move the economy from taxation to production based economy. Meboa. That pen na ye koye state of the nation's address no. Mo amu nua century ni ba kun Raymond Nacha. Hwe na japade ni nipa no wa mo employment. De tie ye ne say ese baby odi ne djuma no. Abanya kokota akwaje krata se e wo se otu free ho. Ya de kyenye ne ebubu ne ne nyina gu fom. De pese e kire ne se ye build your manya ye mfatri modern nya atwembode o man. And the president nankasa na akwantuo ni baby one nam ne na onim so wo nyina ka state no ho it is a so na no wankasa otie ya as a different country address na no dey mai clearly na Akufo Addo no waye na adwen se wodi man pani na wie enti de open wo dey ye Ghana for what am I saying?
I want to work say the okan ye no as o man for so asem enya ni ti na enya se minority participate here then mu betumi aka na ababek she hansa na ya se na ho say
ade we no mo me enya ni se de mo me enya ni se de NDC for ya set record bi ebinsi da bi ye to about 2012 ye to about 2012 no Ghana mra ema electoral commission declare Owura Mahama Ghana mempeni meboa ye declare na se president ye nuanom ko gina court One was an another when about Cosama, Olusu Ababian to me pay fedo. Kofo penso akofo ko Olusu ye no. E ho na nka oni attach ya Eco Court kwesi da no kai.
Okay.
Second time, Olusu bi on say ko gina Supreme Court. Wo gina Supreme Court a yes we President Mahama in. MPs mrahye bedwafo a ya to aba ma omo as Ghanaians no. Omo boycott omo anko. Ye vetting ministers omo koi. But bosome so na etua omo ka the president ni sign ye see entua omo ko omo for omo particular and omo gi. And now many workers in 2013 America we parliamentary hazard. I have a copy here. Okay. 2013. Date was here 21st February 2013. Was the Parliament of Ghana first meeting 2013 Thursday 21st February 2013 or say the speaker together with honorable majority leader and the minority leader, the then minority leader, Chairman Sembosu, current majority leader, or say left the chamber to meet the president. The minority walk out of the chamber. The speaker together with the majority leader led the president into the chamber. So meaning say yatra by Ghana for who the entia because now no na ye debate in Ghana ni bi ante no. Enti de waten ne say Ghana bakose mu de waten se mrahye bedwefo apie. Ye de no mpo de ye manana do ani dio. Ye kofa no be de ne betena ase. Na ye to ye national anthem no. Ye wo portion bia ye say help us to resist the oppressors rule. Ye drew one on a yardren no buy on say oppressors rule near costono. We have to resist it. And we sir
planned.
And oh now your plan crana santem no semnika. Help us to resist the oppressors rule. And I'm saying one say ye kind yam asema what they wakuma di achiri. Nti sofo de wo kono utimi wakuma timi bubu. What you say? San ye to national anthem now do man for wakuma di achiri. Nti uduru baby oppressor na be kasa achewa you go out. Okay. Because now the person here your fundamental human right yes see do no. So what we did solid and medema no see for. And ye kowie no what minority for no bia ye ntiase majority ye ntiase mo debate bi so mo antra ho na ho na ka kira mo say ye be ho atena debate. Mun debate here. I don't know your name in budget 2020. Mo kind last year.
Eric are you serving the nation? Mo your minor service and I'm your minor this service.
Enti say you sani to agu biba waya waso na you show your displeasure. Nipa no wanya Ghanaian. say ye ku ameswali ni ye show ye displeasure onye Ghanaian ye bubu Roman Nacha company ni ye show ye displeasure onye Ghanaian. What I'm telling you ni say almost say omo mayempu ye nkwotena ho ni ye discuss bi metie opon kroma ne me nua pani gina poso betena ha e na opon kre ka say oh hu be hia say be forget those things ni gina betena se ni ye discuss. We understand politics. What am I say? Who be here say be forget those things.
Make you appeal fine.
Good. And I'm saying who be here say be forget those things. Some man penin so you ready so be sweetie. I'm a Ghana for nyina president no. And your party no nko a. What am I say?
Me da say mo fire somra. O fire.
Obahima.
O man debate. Say mo say o ma amakra mo be debate nti o mo say mo mfa na mo debate.
Obahima me da say. Ma me nyina afidie so na ye na twedi amponse say na wuku enso so no ode yenkwama ye. Achede esombo kese nya betimi da maye no. Ye magana fo nyina achi bebi o mampani nam bia no so no yesire onyame asomdwe ne bambo emfanka ne na yesire ye ministers any appointees so adwuma mo ye no omfo man ho do se de omo ye no an enguso na omonye nia edikan Obahima wakan se mebire meyi ano ne mum let me go to the substantive fair na ansa na no twere no se wanu mu asem so ne nam bebu awobem wanu mu asem so ne nam bebu awfo enya sa na twere no ka minu ya sha ase a o kan school fee din asem no ubusa ni say saa na tie eba o kan ni say said ye no dada no saa na ye beto aso de a ananya saa no kan no asem no le tofa bo men no enu o wie ye onu anasem na wagina so de aka no enam kasa dodo mu mpamfom so nti enam adwenboni ba kuratiri mo tongo mu nti no afedi wo san akoto anasa akọ na chi na wesi ndc fu no wo mo nye progressive. They are always a faddy daddy ideas. Omu twa omani hwe omachi. Obi anka brante waka samsam ki entwa yanim kwa yanim ni enya ya chi no owie ya obesi ya chi kansam. Eya mesere. Dia toso mienu Obahima dia ni state of the nation's address. Eno ne so man no pempenso a omampani ya dia hye ne nsa no. Obebu hu akonta. Dia di ja minie, dia mabedu nie. Emfie na mu ni aba ye to ye no. Pempenso a mu di ja ye esum a ne ye da no. Na tware mini esura ye na. Inti nyam nwanwa so waka sum ho asem ba donjina pa wade agine mu no last 2 years obeka kire en say by next year beda sum throughout onyame adom sabi emum da ye ka ni trim amem sa
ba wonim se nkane an me kura no pa me ka say enura amanfo frefrem say dundum kan
Obahima me kura me da
mu bi me ka say since last year nyina
dabi
enti wo fa informa na kura informa de ba o say kumasefo adwa sese odum so a omonfa timetable no emra
na informa pipai na onka kumasefo ase okoye yi na informa so msa ndc fo and that way
pacho minim so e private
the kasa ye mesel fa bo mai oh enti won nasema wo kan se wutie anopa mitie jonjinapo ani ewura edu omu nyina age atum se cha ase be 2 weeks jonjinapo class start is 2 weeks the last year no minim anadwi mi da mu bi be sima be aduasa na metiase se mfie num sumu a ye ko ye
na ekoso e den ya
wo mo se eye gas pipeline eduru mre bia jonjinapo so gitum se om huhurum.
Okay.
Into omo ye ho adwuma.
Ti omo mo ya mane so ye huhurum.
Nia yewura eduka ye ni se. Enyama ni bi wono mu a de no mo huhurum no. They thought say bibia ye set. But ebi wo mo beduru ba bia na bia aye faulty. Eno sa no eye ato. Eni ti ade no asa akọ. Ba oje tum se.
I want some question na.
Metiase. Ba oje tum se.
Like say omo ye maintenance. Say nko omo be boy nkoko bia area ha ye be ye maintenance. Enti
the minister no kan ya jonjina pomu nyina age tum kwa ye dwuma woni say oh ebi wo no mo a sebi me ko ni se obeduru ba bi na dua ebu ato ho no na dua ebu ato ho no enti samre no ano just oku achi but omo ge tum se ya ko ye ni mo no bibisa no omo de ba beto abonten na de am den say ndc ni surosum emfie num Ghana fo mu hu ento mampani ba so bebu hu akonta sikasem se na sitie awrokacha sem se na sitie pia omu pia ye ni nyina no Obahima ne tofa boni se ndc nim so mampani adwuma a waye no ye nsuku sem matopoku prempenom o matoto niema ye eno wo munya hwe kantie mfa kaka bensem fa pie but ye nwanwa ne se ye national anthem ye pledge ene de keka ho no Obahima Ghana ha eni wiase afa na nyina me ye Barras boy me tena sunyane Barras kakra ye de asem kwada ni nyina so tiri moskum se wo wakura na ka wo se ogina ho no mampani odi enfo mampani de entro nchen ono de mo amadwen no man national anthem ye bo na koduru na tu nan ya Ghana kwada nyina no
omo tu wieye emo mu kra sign repeat the last
as per the walking was so mu do process rule
na ende
was process rule and we pie ye now come massage and the security referee no de a onu nasem papa ma ye fa ye no emfanto nchen what you say ti de kan ni say wo mu na no omu ni bibia aka because of here sikasem I'm ready to debate him wo hwe ye nkrat enwomasem wo hwe apomuden e de be na ndisi da ye betumi aka say we de da kro ka ye ka fofo
omo ni bibia ka say because ye nya one party state
na
ye nim so opposition no so eboa e ma mamu no
menye hu achenye oba hima na embomu no achechide epenu moja dodo aye frem wo bibi kan na nko agina faako ana mi rade ameka mebo ana wonni fie kenti na de akaka bensem ni pie ye na se me ne etim betra ka che say yenkwa yachi na eno de yachi de ntwam na na osan akosi akira ensem anu wo ka efa MPP say ye boycott ye no esi pai sound and logically sensibly lawfully asem no court asem ya contest to court na verdict ni nyamba no court transia wo no kura no you are confirming and now you are compromising the verdict and I just added here entina it was a but yemfa we say no entoto now the sample that here standing on the small mo kwan panunia at the boni BSC parliament bia no NDC for na deba ebre dikan NDC for mienu buru ye ho samse ahini akan ayo de say tanko twitwa na sum mo ebre dikan ya eye MP etimi kasa etia speaker man
de say workout na is it not a right
nyabotre oba hima nyabotre me ba o de mama enumre etimi wi ameba ye no so ebre dikan ya MPs mienu aburu ye ho parliament samse ahini tanko eye mo na mo de ba ye ebre dikan ya you what they say me nua Dr. Rashid Pepu etimi kasa tia speaker man de abufuo firi o say speaker no kra mo na mu yi no oba no de say Joyce Bamford o de abufuo kwa emu a brofo fi bi asi parliament bi ya the three at the schools emu a
na amase
na we so wa kam brofo aboti
e dey me mamu me personalize nko
David say me chela
kasa epo show ho so oba hima me ntoa so
David ene ka che
brofo ne dia ni yanyi
Friday
kra ni
ya de brofo ne buma
word mother language day
bad Mr. discipline ho so kasa ni o kasa asema shema bufuo na ma serious oba hima nko so o stop you what talking oba hima yemra sam no so bi NDC talking about journalists pebenya media bedroom ne de nyame ase see you 79 92 to date NDC money journalist
79
oh dabi issue somebody buy ye na me yi ano ntimi sraw issue so NDC for the buy press conference no reason somebody buy no and I say enye logical enye tenable number 1 they are talking about journalists obahima sabi mo reporter ya no reporter from Success FM edibai Kofi Abanga eye King George mo time mo ko wi fertilizer wo kokuko makọ reporter ye kun no na mo do journalist men kasa amededie no so no de mo kan nyina manfo nso adwene ne say na mo sum no de mo be ye nti e na branche no ntu ye no so ye nwene ne sa na because bitimi kodibo ne me de si obi e no so ye nwene ne sa so kai confidence ke ba onu kra de minua e wo kuma se Kesben FM yes so about my program ase said the annual did the idea no ko enu so yanka ho asem when you were talking I kept quiet when you were talking I kept quiet when you were talking I kept quiet we look keep quiet
now on can okre
obama unse media all kasami
confidence ko program ase what is he talking about
all kasami di
Mr. Woni di me da ase
all kasami di obahima
afemi musa wa ase confidence
say wakuma ene he okasam yi confidence adaje ni abaye me power kuma ne confidence dey no obahima na ye Saturday na mokumase me nkokumase oba me ne confidence mo eni nkomo mo program no ba se ofuro no ba ye kuro mafija ase wa didi biem ade che yesi a poison no
can't tell that for sure
o de ye nya matiefo na o mo nim obahima yamra yaya GBC yaya me mate o de say me colleague na me ne no eni mu ntaka nya de kira de o Kings oba program master ndogwe bonu generate de boho na mo do wo mo meboa yen hwe niama times mo ko fa bobo ya na do mu gu mu ko voter region equal report e no wuye e ho asem ko ti say me amenu William Gentu bepem na ne saka
was in line of duty
in line entina mo de motivate
so omo ko program
metiase
chofo mo meka
na no dan ko akufu ado ba ye yi a obun santwerefo hu ka wo metrem ya busa reporters no ne ko he bobo ya na de ma wo mo ya fe no enfantry obahima hwa remonacha sema wo kan no ya na sebe nye da beto bo atwa fra na mpafi besi wo trade fair nyina no empo chief executive no ya bubu ni office wo mo de be ye program yi kese a ewiase afa na nyina no one of the centers at the time am free trade ho no na trade fair awo ne guo mo see you catch them maame no Dr. Agnes say I had one here your wobeka no mo ntimi ntua electricity bill ya be ya de na na ye Raymond Nacha since 2010 or call no ye mu say the tenancy agreement na wo hinifa ana no so dan he is not
living in Ghana
he is
Emo can say that time no agreement on you omo they knew say no ko erect permanent structure like that.
Yes,
not temporary.
That time
the 2010 agreement was even it was 2014 after Wasi factory in
2014
then omuka
NDC time na nye ni o 2014 no meba na sam na work any nyina no say sample net ye ni nyina esi NDC time and I can tell you say since Rawlings's time a baby bia obi a occupy trade for me say we in a temporary it is a 2010 a wow party no de ma wo and a 2014 omuka kire wo why then you advance it they toss be
but no was serious
20
what you on
2014 me na nam wo so 2014 me na nam wo so enya this aban
is it about the no was
oh they no wo so asem ye obi kotren kodi ni mako aban be na na wo so na when the call so that you know me nia ye ka ni sa de achechede asem afa enya nkai na fa kane wontumi ne ma mo say ni nyina no onti ase odi court no ya je judgment debt e dia na Raymond acha ene mo sanya mischief na mo play dia mo fa court oban ma de no eto nchen ya he's talking about ayawaso eya na nyeme ya papa si yesi ye kan yawaso asemu a na kufu ado si ye bona baso opani on trafie masebiamfo na o kan na kufu ado nya babia ntum throughout the world no on yam so you be o wabotre papa because 2012 was one mining ti yanyintum eno so na nyame fa so a wode na betra konya so no na mo anyam fe but the point is say 1996 ammonia de no koginaye o weni aba no mo wia mo de ma o de say Rebecca Adote Emra court edi verdict no by na ka 2 months enti ho asem ye ka mo ankasa mo no musipam kan
na court ka so mo wi mu de ma Rebecca
na wo ma nwema ko ma twam enko ma twam afa ma ayi enyam na meka ana me boana you know the story Rebecca do NDC candidate and na ba no mo de koma no eko wi ase no court edi ma no ye nim sese ye ka ye waso asem a o mampani obetra se asedua ye mane mfoda enti ye mamodra se ye mpasomdwe bible si hira ne patafo etipani wo ye mo na baso ye ba ka ti wa pa o ye ba ka gogloshi se mo hwe ni ade eche nipa num yekum wo mo ye ba kai sankore ese nipa yekum wo oba ma me ba ye ba ka ya ti wa ye ba ka ya kwatia what you say you live in a glass house and you are throwing stones oba ma odi ya no so atu enchen ya ade bia so a okan ya emesere enipa ni se na phone mobile phone ba or the same mobile phone repairer oh me say mobile phone for no mo second me mbia no wo mo ye nkrofo a ebia wie university said we wie ebia bobra no mo nyina akora bobra in any case obi ye dwadeni a unim nyansa ntimi ni dwa sanse me ni akosu afrim po ma dwade no de atete yen and it is a wo kan sam wo ankan ye ka say na mobile phone repeated la you are making mockery of them yes sam gutafo and this fo so no ye momo muntie no mo ba conditions of the Kwambia ekuti adwadifo but I'm telling you yen kwhwa mo time omo mo fa wo mo no yen hwe de onukuta degree de okuta certificate media men kase profession bi nye sabi de opraya ne so kra no wo de cleaners de ba mo na mo yi nipam esa nipam dia ye jade mamo
meda se ofa aduma ko ba finu no na Facebook mo comment kakra ba na make kai Antonio Biabla de fie kuma zungu takra do say minority boycott Sona debate bravo to the minority who will debate a Sona which is 98% lies. No right-thinking person would like to do that. Like we would have voted all of them out if they tried to comment on such Sona. But yeah, I'm very disappointed in you this morning. Anyway, no P. Me too, same you. No P. I could see your being just so busy. Yeah, according to NDC's logic, then they would not go to Parliament again because every bill is from the executive, headed by the president. About the Raymond Archer case, he was given ample time to vacate the place. Honorable Afenyo Markin's properties were also destroyed. The court gave the order, not from the president. The Senate Ghanaians are listening. Okay, enti comment me nu ya ena aba. Mama yensha yen second topic, you know, Daily Guide and their bay. MP charges on Dom level in get fund audit. Sir, what the teen says, Semi. I had to say, ebi wo ho a wo mo se wo mo din na ewo mu ne kra no wo mo apply bi ena utieti Auditor General Act na ye say nka before we publish no e call speaker ho na fe wo se otie wo mo a yabo wo mo din wo mu no say mo a ye be audit for this company, this corporation, this state agency say what do you have to say? Say otie ye say wantie otie yanka would we have gotten here and answer microphone so pensem there you on ho no keke ejatan
me ba me da say asem
papa
parties like same you know way ye ba ye be bobo and as a first topic state of the nation address but we share discussion across here community say ye jaya no ato nchen na ye pointing accusations there will be that danity will be so yes here without looking at the content of the issue under consideration ma hard grandpa the omoye minority here no ya na say enye ehun sunsanso be ne betumi de abreye yes one ye be a constituent de betumi aka say yes you're right say we will not vote at a particular day and I say election day say so you have the free will to walk out until yes we have the free will to say we are not going to vote. Can we also do that? Yes, we can do that. And these are the areas that I think we should be considering. The issue of an MP trying or attempting to sue the Auditor General. I don't know, but you see, if he has any case, he should deal rather directly with your friend saying Scholarship Secretariat.
He way who is MP
MP
Honorable Kennedy?
Yes,
okay.
And can get fund secretariat no. And I can say or person will see no. I think say I would have sided with him.
Or say Auditor General no only need free list in our publishing. When year na fi was you. Auditor
General no in my opinion, and to me the lawyer move. But on to me any din sir as per the first no and no conducted that particular investigation or more year list and I said or more year or more publications and more get fund honor. They compile the list for you.
Only problem with your year list or problem with your publisher here.
Oh, and
your publisher, you know, so once one verify how do you publish?
But have you found out from as to whether he verified or not?
Okay.
The first one mao hono interest on verify. So get fund secretariat to me are sure to say these names that we've gotten are authentic. The Auditor General as a person, I don't know what me
authentic. Na me ayabo midino umusa me say esuo. Yes, so Jessica be scholarship will be OJ na wanye.
Me pacho no the rules of engagement. Say your bank for call do sir. Your Auditor General na said this obe from mu nyina back no mattress no wa bisa omo. Says ye de betu money why ya na say on this scholarship secretariat in the Bekasa no who say normal would have you been are you sure say your facts and figures are correct na omo man is assurance now he has the right to publish it into one who see no but you see we should be asking ourselves, are these people qualified to be part of the get fund processes? Say MPs and kasa pa esika as I say they bought students of course you can be a student but they under the laws no they do not qualify. So omobekwa say get fund ska e dia school. Wo mrekura nkrofo a omo hia say omobenya sa facility no they are not getting it. Na nkrofo a ye fee say they do not qualify at all. Omo MP baako yewura MP baako kasa wo em say yewura honorable Kwetu akem oda MP also watch they say na jumu no they qualify. That is why the get fund secretary gave the money to them and that he doesn't believe that they paid bribe before the money were given. How do you determine that? And for him to say they qualify, that shows a gross ignorance of the whole issue. They do not qualify under such. Yembisa said the previous administration, Yenka sa Bambia Emma so Emma MP Senko school. By any investigation here, say why na Okoji get funds ka no the school. Now why so no authorize it? Of course.
Na Emrano Chile will be a woye needy ana.
These people, can you describe them as needy?
I don't
know. Or more quadges I get fund. We are mem hana yas man crofo say omunko school amano. Omunko suya ye first medicine hono manoma. Free NDC Abreso up to from NDC Abreso Rollins Kofo up to Mills Mahama. Kurana yen to mean to almost stipends. Na nkrofo we those who even came back. Juma Krombeya Kraneding. They were crying in this country. Now, Yenim said they are not needy, no, or mobom na or more access get fund. I would not be surprised, and it is clear that we share in terms of scholarship, co-scholarship, no man. Ubeko hono sankrofo no ayema, omoyema. Omojima omumkrofo. They don't even take the scholarship and give it to nkrofo omo constituents. Omoye needed but brilliant no. They don't. Sankomoye ne sanken krase for sebe. Anka yenya nkrofo omo so omo wonimdie ho. And so because they have skewed scholarship to their own benefit and their own greediness no know yenya ehia ye pa no yenya
greediness anu yede
me feel say no yede they are being greedy on this particular score. Say MPR yenim say buy $11,000 or whatever it is now ubetumi atiti unsemu akotua but you decided say ubekwa kwaje omo a eska ye twa to ho aye obidia. Of course the SSC no e happen wo NDC abreso and na sa nkrofo nyina enya the so called scholarship yem bi say ho say wo betumi abo NDC sumo say omo no moye ya na. These are the questions I'll be asking. So ABCC ya wo betumi abo NPP sumo say omo no moye ya just because NPP is in power wo betumi abo mo sumo sa na nti say scholarship secretariat at the back na auditor general hwem na say one favor obi no ho say I'll publish exactly as they have given. I don't think they have any issue in suing.
Okay, until on to me, you. What fire?
Obahima. Say, you can't get funder. You can about some cacredi.
Okay.
Rollins, a bresuna obi freku nyamono
914 I shall see.
1999 mono be free mono. Ena agitation a story.
Okay.
Across the various investors. And no crano, one lady BMS no UPSC. In the course of the struggle, no crime say police for shoot two money we. And some the atibi o maimuda. Samuel Spio Gabra was the minister.
Education.
Minister of Education. To me, you know, Cambo Muye, now say, I general Cobas, it mean get funding, I beat me at the Abwa. No cranny or moteto. But the acquire say, Quasiba Sasha, the Onama, or Neman, or we are on 2D on Shakwada. MPP buy not get fund, there wasn't even penny you can cross check. Or man penny Kufuada Roma, any party other Roma. The say ye buy any yentino. Ye toto near me yena a year ma.
NDC now or share fund and
I'm telling you.
Said a bay boy school for no. I feel the
Sanya 2016 at a time Musom another on the 6th of January. One thing you may see. A
baby one because the light bill cry you get fund a percentage you. Then
no, and Shas yes abreno.
Okay.
And no, Shas yes abreno.
Okay.
And the Nippon so we the Mra will be so be beer free, you can cross check. That is the work of the journalist. Emra na me come on. Me meeting say ya mean trans na makowe. But for a fact. Obaima, adie ba ko so say a free Rollins time. E fa President Kufuor time. E pepim 2009 no. Na get fund enyo me mass scholarship no. Na wo mo the scholarship secretariat. So nim sa. NDC abanya His Excellency Professor John Evans Atamels here when the baby call. By 2009. A year and vice. A year His Excellency John Mama. By a more reverse situation, you know. Instead, say get fund. My scholarship secretariat. You know. No mono a year. A honor and some look of a you. As some year by my yakan was him, you know. A simra bang. A see a fiam pim you do me. A fiam pim you need do me, you know. Any fiam pim you need do nine. The was some any CEO. Now, as he saying, and now minya quite etie Sam Gariba. Dear no yet get fund boss no. Me tie one of the sister stations.
Former administrator.
Former administrator no. Or say, what do you yaw ye pa say? A year auditor general. Any party ma or my both sides. Ni what ma koyi MPP for kakra bi na diaba. Sam Gariba nye MPP ni o. Eso no kran, that is the point. Number 2.
Na ye hu list full list na.
One
level publishing
on that sister station, you know. Oh, say near the aba and no maka ho asem.
Was say or publish full list
or say a nipa over 80. Enti aye no nwanwa. E ma host no busa say wa list no se ma hwe. Enti am nwanwa say di we no dey buy. Okay. Na esi misasi so biem under 2012 no na Professor Mason Tiase. You Ramama person is adding this year. Matopoku Prampe wasn't a minister. He was a member of parliament. He was part of the education committee. Adwa Safo anu onye minister.
But oje scholarship.
Nyabotre meba. Obahima, wo de twi no wote ye ne atie nya Eric se no bu. Wo se, ne odi ahwede ba afie no. Oso wansana ho. Yetuo sese ya yetuo sese ye. Se get from anko year, the bus stops with the administration. Enti na who cause up? Matthew oh me ba what question be na me nia no
o say Matthew Poku Prempe na po sabre no na onye minister
ojitum ojitum
na me busa
ojitum yan clear data in from ojitum
minister ha me na mbusa kwesa no enti na me busa say
ewom oye fitira me so busa kakra no e minister
na me nia no no onye minister
so
onye minister oye MP that time no oje scholarship ni bi ana
na de onuari na smo be kan wanti wo say me as a minister me mba bia ma me ho me ye MP me jibi.
Okay, so yeah.
The
question is so oje ya oye needy
na deserve. Yeah, establish idea you are building the point. Yes say why your person is see ye.
No, that is not our interest.
Is it not our interest?
Ghana for the interest.
Some we understand
o deserve na.
Important say. You bet me
but the question is needy but
and you want to ye na sadachi woni ha no mo a. See mo udini a.
Ude ye bebo enye hwe. Na emo ma Ghana for bisa ne say. Emra ne say odie onima de na so ebi nifi. Enti e honum na ye concern say enipa no ye man no o deserve na wan ya breso de. I think that say nyakra enye ultimate priority.
That is
ultimate priority no say. Does the person deserve it or you needy ana?
Maybe asem no so. Me tie Sam Gariba, a administrator no. On that network, omo pursue the same question. Say omo qualify or catch omo say. Semra no kura da ho no mo a. Woni aban ni ye what was more pragmatic. Anyam na me ko, wo so woni NDC aban a His Excellency John Dramani Mama, wo se de ne hia ne fata. Enti nipa no kwaje ye no na administrator say, me ye de hia ne fata. Why this question? And it still goes back to say, emre be na hye. Enti journalists no so say hwem say people so ba ye no ye yes ade boni ni bi say wo bia sabi unqualified be ma no ana ya na sabi so uko school na numade pa maton kan University of Cape Coast na nso so no ade be cha mo akwa exams ne say ayi bi apo bi aba onye mebusa ya onye oti ase ye nyire ko school ni o ye so ne de ade be che ne say ayi bi aba wo say literature ne ete o ye ko pe bi de ake kwa na enye de to so mienu menua ebusa
hold on enti why na ade be che ama apo wakwa akwaje apo no enti ebode ye boda ro say amanfo get fan no sika na buso ye nya omo ayede be mo omo nti mo meji no omo beji bia na
enye mra hye bedwafie enye get fund wo mo nkita hudie eno omo de betu omo ye ti omo de koye
omo ye sa eye
eno de eno abusa Sam Gariba ni ndisio
because brand dossiers enkrofo to China to other countries esu stick no kra it wasn't
eye me de abamboni hu sunsanso no ye ba ye Abrantie Samuel Ajeman a scholarship ko adwuma waye say ye nkura no musu saa mutimi susu anipa kogum eno so ye bahwa list no ni ahwe nkrofo kro ene ba bi omufre ene si ko kanto kwaketu abi no mo de akwaje kase no mo akokere wo mo ene ti ade no 2012 one net wo His Excellency John Dramani Mama ebrebe na saa de ni si ye de toso bi mo bai ma sabe so anopa yi se de wasi afa wo hi obi ti eche no hwe obeka sase sei kura no wo ska che kwam despite minua penny enso bia na ati adom so minua ya hwe kiki ahwe we sei minua eti asem so na party wo hwe odie because bo homo de papa but the point is minua sabi ene ehifa ene wo mu a o ma define say aha sei no ene kire say obi ye needy o mo nkasa say how did they define it?
Okay.
But the point is say
people so mrani mu na omo capitalize
on it na abai na teso
no but o ka say lupo ne say nti obi ye needy a ye de MP mu a ejina ho ne ya fa o school ni
ya ma mesa ka say sika no pa say no mo ka ho asem so de ma na po no enhwehwemu nyina de abasa nya nokre de toso bi no so ye the list ba
me so me ka kire o say he was awarded a scholarship to go and study.
Yes.
Harvard Kennedy School of Government. And to say anya no kre no.
No, David, me kan say that.
Foot soldier ete ho.
Me say onu ani krato de betu dwa no ogitum ya sa na me kan no. E na me sika no a omde kwahye animu no. Enya no kre sika no asa na me kan. David, onu agitum. Na me David wo say enu ba bia it's come the man no. Eni dom kotu ye no. Afa no da nchen ya obahima.
Na wankwaji
aka. You are studying law. Wankwaji de ben.
Wanji anka wo mo.
Wankwaji de ben. E de ben wankwaji. Na one de man no na one person see here okuje to black akwaji bie no
enti ube
Rashid papo kwaji bie no
se no no so nipa ne de ma no na ohwa otumu se me de metumi ahwe me
Felix kwachi mu kwaji bie no NDC time na graduates be doso Anita no ni e be hwe ni nyam de list na beto okọ kanto kwaketu bi but the point ni say na who cause am MPP 2 no say ye trust ne ya de boni no ochem de kwa central for no trust say the date doesn't matter to na wo cause that
thing meet do enkono 23 so me too
ya me da se
yo
ya de dikan menua all kasa de na dikan no o ka se ye pen so menua stand we e ko bo nsem truni enye nokre bia anim ya say obi ye
ya madam me na kira de
you go by law
you know it
there's emra bia ni ho krom ha I decided say menua penny stand e kokobu obi ne de sansem no munya e kana obi e madu na wose mutwa so ye ka de asi wo mra hyebedwafie ye tutu radio stations mu ne nsem a ye ka o se obi kobu obi abanga nam ha keep it up Ghanaians are watching you yeah we need with the issue of get fund okay na ye mo wan say we kwa MP ne say ye nyine di mfiri no ho asem no nkanke ye beka ba ni na na e ka du empreko enra na me kan story bi wo Ghana web Gary Nimakon you know the strategy of
doctor oyura nyakon lawyer nti onu na chokra
unim MPP for no strategy ni say ye wura demolevo kwan bi on be fa so a on be gu papa no ho fi se na adwuma nso ani on be ye kan kire mu so no so de oye mo botai se Charlotte say ya enye yeda enye ye nenye ye ochina
ye de mra na ye duma
why
just say they want to blackmail the man on person mu gu ne hu fi ankasa na ebe wie no o de adwuma kura beto Ghana enso Ghana fo ani te say de omode aye anas no because anas ye tie konwa so no de expose ba na omo heti o heart anas omo betina konwa so de expose ba omo so ye kromfo o ye udini wa ye say they did a lot against him but Dom Levo you won't succeed. Stop it.
But ebi so bisa say opinion so.
And I'm say yeah.
Ebi ni say list ten.
Mama can say moncho. And say you people as forward. You people asem ne can me we mo.
So the UP assessor ba dia. And the PNDC AFRC. Do you know the history of this country? Talking about the UP, I'm proud to be a UP member.
But I say list ne buy no e one sided. Who say basa na ama ebi mu so question we
what Auditor General no asem.
There be no na
the rule of natural justice. Remember, the rule of natural justice. Meboa. So wa unim e den. Ebini say you must also hear the other side. Meboa. Auditor General yen investigation the document about bonten. Obi ti ba bi say wan fa list ni bi amba. Auditor General so me can say list e dey ma me no ma keep bi. Ye hwe ni yi o. Agenda ne say yengu papa no hu fi. Na papa no be ya papa we adwuma woye kane no Auditor General be ye adwuma ye what 2014 no na fe no Auditor General de 2011 2012 de ba nyesa na no mo ye ne kroma but look at this man the activeness mo mpewe mo pede mo de obi a ompe ketasehye ne proye bia mo ntimi ne ye adwuma why Auditor General no won ne ho se matia midu mo ana me the office of the special prosecutor by in 2018 the office corruption si ho on survey but Auditor General we trust him he should work.
Ono so omo ne no issue say procurement process bi won say mo
omo ne hwan
Auditor General
eno na make am omo pe kwan bia so aye ne say de omo ye shallow but this they won't succeed
mo na ebe
mo ni procurement breaches Abraham Ajay mu ana omo tete presidency a contract for say ni ade omo case na here sala ekosi sen
case no okasa mi
ko fa court
asem say ya ye ni abro ye ni abro e wa ko fo ne ye no
okasa mu ye
metiase
se ye se ye ka court asem make o
pro Ajay mu presidency
contract for so
mamento aso
pachoja opuni die no na
ya asem a make am say
we so die wo court
okasa
we so die
o okasa na ma
yedi enipa bi mu ha omo ni ha obo ni di na wo di
almost stand with the stand
one. Stand with who doesn't know?
Obo ye no anya.
Okay, discuss.
Who doesn't know?
Na say me mo bi di ono so be ya no.
Eno de
no, the issue is ye ma fairness in prevail on the show. I won't sit for you to say. Into ono so be filing in defense. And I say so be filing in defense so we are not filing in defense. Omo be mu mpani for kro no omo bo bi anim.
Say say na o kan.
Yes. O kan generally.
Why desperate?
But o kan specific. Mema wa twen fi
okay me mo obi ani aban we obi anim excavator aban obi anim de ekoso
oh sir Airbus
na asem aba ye ka
president oje bribe
o betena ha abema justification of need ya ye ka so obi ye need ya or lack basic necessities crying in life or you're very poor and then you're brilliant but needy MPs. That is your logic. These are brilliant but greedy MPs. Who defend their day way?
They are my defending.
You know something. You know something. And rana mene mrashe bejani bi din komo. And na mebusa ne say honorable. Sa health insurance. One say ya omoma MPs ne quota bi. Na ya munya best. Also we je be 10,000 per. Unim de ntia mebusa asa. Because me share na po 3 weeks course okoyeye. No spending over 1 billion old Ghana cedis. Now come in Makurase. So we 1 billion old Ghana cedis. Nipa omuntimi 25 to 30 Ghana and family register insurance and untino. Omu yare omu nyini paketwa. And it is a way Yamrashi Bedrenia or no say what ma. No, no, brilliant, but you needy. And your course short course 3 weeks, over 1 billion old Ghana cedis. Then you are here justifying say. The other man no ni blame no.
Near what the Bible say. So every 3 days we are not for flight.
Minister,
me mo
no.
Only her.
No, mention the
name. I don't know.
Yeah, mention the name.
I dissociate myself.
No, you can't dissociate yourself. You mention it. Who is the minister?
Me say near what.
Mention the name of the deputy minister. So mention the name. We evidence based here. Who is that minister?
Who is that minister? I don't know. I have told you.
No, I said they all kind of
is there evidence?
Yes, you have to provide the list. You see, this equation no na ma ye ko ye chino. The na you are telling me say na ye wo deputy minister.
Na pa ye bibi.
Na sa deputy minister na wo ka no. Na ban sika na no de kwa na de ne bottom sika. And no the salary na. What is that question? As at now wo ka no. You can't even mention the name of the minister. So I won't accept. Any can want to. Any wants enka wo ka. The aban any say will be a brilliant but you need the MP and one some near can. Na she bedwani a wa best time na she bedwafie. Ye gina Ghana fo nyina na mu amosika ma loan se fatoka wo da VAT. Ya high dan ya ma on kran. But so me so a wakatua bro 10,000 Ghana cedis. Oko committee sittings a allowances. Then you're telling Ghanaians to say, "We no short course I could do 3 weeks." Ajwa. Enya abro ni bayi. Mama ka say mucho. Ya mre. Enya abro ni bayi. You can't justify this. Remember, they can several platforms. One, your pencil and call for no more get fun. So my young from Sobia, I'm mom facing run straightforward.
Okay.
Eric J. Matanaza me be defending some also some wine. Me
some crobia.
Yes, so our former am running in D. Board members are former am running on money, management are former am running on money. And this is for you see the hypocrisy of these people. Yeah, you President Mahama bro papa. Father for all, say one with the idea. Let me talk. One with the idea. And for way better na konya so yetimi kan people wey end this in the permanent free office. Not know we say etia konya so ye cry your grassroots to mabunu na ebre no na pom na na ye hwe omu school. Address afo papa ti kroma ti creator ye bi caterpillar condemn na papa ye bi wo ye nidi. Kohwe do me kwa benya nipa asetenem kohwe nipa omu da kios ma ade chi obi nya nsuo ne wanom and you are not thinking of these people. They have justification say ono no kosua ade o de beboa do me kwa benya oba ye no nipa asetenem mpuntu obe na aba. Edu baby amom yen ka no kro yakona ma asem a me ne wo kan ye wa ban mu da bia na meka and mekoso aka ya asem kwada ne bia school university for na omo be kwa na omo kwa assembly for support na obi de krata ana o de letter kwa assembly no yetimi ma na 300 Ghana cedis because obi wo ha na yetua ne university school fees but chop money mpo no awofo na anya bia ma no financial support 300 Ghana cedis sa time no sa na MP o MP we pay 300 with this office no. Now we MP over 1 billion. Acquire short course 3 weeks. And such an MP
now apply for no.
And no am say Bible say ya wadi nyina o de tie me. Ya wadi nyina ho.
Institution no ho.
Enuntina me ne wo kasa no.
You are not needy. You don't qualify.
Ya must state my position clear. Institution no man no mo da no so obi afuma ye ma emra ne ni seriously. And yes, you are doing now, and you need an fataye. I draw Safoni in the Pomona Ignatius Balfour. I was so mutimid who said, I dear Yaku and fataye. Cosuyana West. Cosuyana West. Cosuyana West. And I'm yeah, Canadian saying a quantum year. And no one make us say, Unim say, listen now, or more provide the auditor general, the Ababonton. One firm free in the bedroom. A scholarship secretary and the present list in the man. And you know, a Hona Yako Blimuno, Aquayan Hufine. Why are you not questioning the source of the list? They should question them.
na den na nesi auditor
and I'm say they just want to soil the image of the auditor general. We won't sit aloof.
All right.
Munyai na mo keta se ne proye ne aban na okon. Nipa ba kon so oboa mo ne keta se ne proye na ko amone no so kokon. Ye papa Domilovo ye tawachi. Ya say what is said just 3 days ago. Osafo Mafo in the case na we court no. Chief Justice are calling for the docket. So what kind that story no?
Colin Associates.
What kind docket no? $1 million na ye hu di aye no. We are telling ye papa ne say docket no mo frɛ kra na mission house na mo beto a onya kokodru ye ta na chi.
Mo papa be.
Domilovo, he should fight the corruption. Master, about we mo penny for you corrupt too much. And what they do no, omo ye wi a wo obetumi acho mo ni ehunu now. What's the medical catch no? Say nipa na no se wada. Ni nya ne ya papa, about we mo penny for.
Thank you. Unfortunately 9:33 it said the aya and say haya na di besi.
Kra. Topic we are very important.
Yeah.
Question
be obusa no question no obusa say list ni nyina no. Me ko to Sam Gariba or see what man this senior people for on woman at
make his appointment.
Yes,
and was I can you 80 million no what channel we can go to scholarship at the boni bia so me ya kro no ne ya wudie ne you man fifi kwete ojibi okuje top na ojibi na podi anu kra meboa who cause
na boraji atum so sign ni
Ajaya
brilliant ba ni DM
also join him na ka so be ka
na education or resign yeah one minister say na say ye nua no ma omoko training colleges no ma bon no because they won't get this opportunity to get this scholarship. Now, training college, allowance teacher training at the Minister of Education. Sala wono, and this over 1 billion.
Because look, agric sector, embarrassment. More free. Who you have you anim na fa busia ofiri mu wo ye
na me akwada
o ti ase
akwada tra
oba no twasa bites atrobites
mon kan okre
atrobites
dabi o onim de o
o dia me cha papa cha mo ye atro de ja mo no sa national distract
abanya wa ba be no ya wa
2012 ko du ade bone na dia be cha MPP na wa mo wa sa dwene no o di get fan me ba ba ye ne say o di get Emma MPC no now we Jeffrey training college for o di na hia for
wo ye nyina me bo wa oh adan na mo ye
mo bani wu asenuam oyira baba mo ka mo asem o kama ndisi
mo ni mo
oyira ba no o kama mo tuwe no ade ese manu me ho mo ni bi you have compromised your conscience mo ko ya de body de be
ka de opese o kan ye mpo no
chromes ka
mo ho ani wu papa
aban e wo so mo ani wu
the policy we implemented planting for food and jobs. Now,
Patricia Fotie Papa.
Who shared the buy from 2018. 2018, Adriania,
Madam Wasio, Panita no Casa.
Momo government, and I implemented planting for food and jobs. The Abba, agric sector. I won't pass out bed discussing. It will go against you. Share the IC or agric sector in terms of cereals. Almost a flat toxins.
Grains.
Or maybe I'm also a back agriculture and I say be a queria. Grains na box. Nyabatre. Yeah, topic said, yeah, my think of having been free. But where can topic said, yeah, my Mr. Topics no share. Yeah, and no percent aggressive. I'm ready to Hwɛ, me nua ma.
Nobody was in our tabano. Excavator excavator be na ira.
I confirm ya wa. Enti said ya ya ne sayo. Na openi ya asanita no. Oya political analyst. Ena ora Eric Eje. Oya bono regional deputy communication officer. Ewo bono region. Ofa ya adoma ko be fi. Eye communication team member. Emma MPP Amanyokuo no. Yedamwase. Ojomsuni Alex Echampo. Okay, young missionary Ajomsofo ne ho. Na me pe unyum pa. Ene ye wa woda. Me ma happy birthday. Onya ni show. Na oma adwini ni bia o de be show edema edesa. Me di se ya kuna. Me pa mo chose ne show na ye de. Sa na aba. Me damase.
Kwa yes CPP